Good day everyone, I've got this water filter pitcher here for an unboxing and review. Holds up to 4 liters. Here's everything that came in the box. Got the water pitcher assembly itself and a filter. It also has some instructions for use as well. Well, this is kind of neat too for filling it up. Just rotate it this way, that way. Looks kind of cool. Do it slow. That's where the water comes out at. Okay, so how this works is we're going to go ahead and take this top piece off here, just like that. And then this piece actually will come out, but we're going to leave that in there, and the filter goes right down in there. So take this out of the package. This filter here is going to go right down in there. Just like that. And then you can put this right back on it. And we'll fill it up there. Okay, that just kind of showed you how it went in there, but the thing that we're going to do now is actually recommend soaking this in water for 12 minutes and then rinsing it 2 to 3 times under the sink. So we're going to go ahead and go soak this in a bowl for 12 minutes. Okay, soaking this for 12 minutes. They say to replace these filters approximately every 2 months. Right, 12 minutes is up. Now we'll go ahead and rinse this thing underneath the sink. Okay, the directions say when using this thing for the first time to hold the start button down for 3 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, there we go. Now it's flashing, perfect. And this will tell you the life on your filter. So the filter should be exchanged after using it for 60 days or filtering 40 gallons of water. Let's try this out. Super easy to use. Feels good in the hand too. It's nicely counterweighted how this handle is in comparison to the weight here. Easy to pour. Oh yeah, that's good.